English Kannada past tense. I went.
ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your playful path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Hey, you. Today we'll crack the Kannada past tense of to go with jokes, claps, and quick wins, so that I went becomes
ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ.
in your muscle memory. Ready? Let's go. Well, let's went. Your goal today. You'll be able to recognize and say the most useful past forms in minutes. Keep your ears open and repeat out loud. Target 1. I went.
ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ.
Target 2. You went, informal.
ನೀನು ಹೋದೆ.
Forms you need. Here's your cheat sheet, short, snappy, and super useful. Repeat after me. Go, dictionary form.
ಹೋಗು.
I went.
ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ.
You went, informal.
ನೀನು ಹೋದೆ.
She went.
ಅವಳು ಹೋದಳು.
It went.
ಅದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು.
We went.
ನಾವು ಹೋದೆವು.
You went, polite, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೋದಿರಿ.
They went.
ಅವರು ಹೋದರು.
Mini dialogue, the bus fiasco. Listen to this silly scene and repeat the Kannada bits out loud. You, did we miss it? Friend, yep, they went earlier.
ಅವರು ಹೋದರು.
You, oops, I went to the wrong stop.
ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ.
Friend, no worries, we went for chai.
ನಾವು ಹೋದೆವು.
Conductor, dramatic, it went on time.
ಅದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು.
Another friend texting politely, you, all, went ahead, right?
ನೀವು ಹೋದಿರಿ.
Update from Maya, she went to the next stop already.
ಅವಳು ಹೋದಳು.
Culture tip. Be polite or be pals. Kannada changes with closeness and respect. Use the right, you, like a pro. With close friends, informal, you went, equals.
ನೀನು ಹೋದೆ.
With elders, strangers, or groups, polite, plural, you went, equals.
ನೀವು ಹೋದಿರಿ.
Pro tip. Keep the base verb in your pocket, go equals.
ಹೋಗು.
Lightning quiz. Say it before I do. I'll pause, shout the answer. How do you say, we went? Answer.
ನಾವು ಹೋದೆವು.
Translate, they went. Answer.
ಅವರು ಹೋದರು.
English meaning of.
ಅದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು.
Answer. It went. How to say, you went to a friend, informal. Answer.
ನೀನು ಹೋದೆ.
How to say, she went. Answer.
ಅವಳು ಹೋದಳು.
Challenge. Clap and say. Clap on each beat and speak with rhythm. Your mouth will remember. Beat 1 to 2, I went.
ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ.
Beat 1 to 2, you went, informal.
ನೀನು ಹೋದೆ.
Beat 1 to 2, you went, polite.
ನೀವು ಹೋದಿರಿ.
Beat 1 to 2, we went.
ನಾವು ಹೋದೆವು.
Beat 1 to 2, they went.
ಅವರು ಹೋದರು.
Bonus reset word. Go, dictionary.
ಹೋಗು.
Goodbye and keep going. Nice work, short, sweet, and powerful. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, I went.
ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ.
And friends all week, and revisit whenever you need a boost. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and downloads at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.